This is a story about an artificial intelligence music algorithm teaming up with a producer to find some common ground. The Artificial Intelligence Music channel. This is a story about an artificial intelligence music algorithm teaming up with a producer to find some common ground. The Artificial Intelligence Music channel.
Okay, what do we have here?
Bass staccato with one piano chord.
Each bass note on separate buttons?
Correct. Percussion on the bottom pads as usual.
Yeah.
Not much to work with,
Yeah, that's true.
but that's part of the fun and challenge. Mastered exceptionally well. Recorded loop achieved. Hi-hat loop achieved. Recorded loop achieved. You forgot to hit record.
No, I didn't. Okay, yes I did.
Bass loop achieved.
Yeah.
Recorded loop achieved.
Yeah. Yeah.
Samples added.
Yeah. Yeah. I think this kid is a distorted guitar, maybe. Yeah. Yeah.
Whatever that sound is, successfully added.
Yeah.
The choir, singing tones, are on the next track. Keep it simple. Recorded loop achieved. Check to see if your mic is operational. It works. I didn't sense connection. But it is okay.
Well, I appreciate you checking. Thank you very much. Okay, I previously did an arrangement with these samples. I'm gonna switch up now and listen to the difference.
I think it still sucks.
Shut up, you digital biatch.
Compute lyrics now?
Yeah, as a matter of fact, listen to the frequency and listen to the notes and just come up with whatever fits.
I'm not a bitch. I'm not a bitch.
Yes, you are. Yes, you are.
The 4 types of pitch face: resting, side eye roll, and the up and down. This is a no-brainer. Like, subscribe, and let the world know how bad Kevin's music is in the comments section. Thanks for watching.